For this video, I'm going to show you how to take a handful of rubber bands and make the world's simplest semi-automatic rubber band handgun. I found this cool rubber band shooter at a sporting goods store, but it comes with a heavy price tag. $16 for the gun and another $2 for the bag of bands to go with it. We can do better than that, so save your money and let's make a super simple version for free. Chances are you already have 2 of them on hand. To start, you'll need a bag of assorted rubber bands like these. The colored ones are a bit more fun and you can usually find them at the dollar stores. Now to stock up on the best rounds of ammunition, try picking out the thicker bands that are as wide as 3 fingers held together. When you're ready to load your weapon, simply hold one end of the bands with your pinky finger, then stretch it all the way back and around behind your thumb so you can position the other end on the tip of your pointer finger. Your elastic handgun is loaded and ready to fire. Use your pointer finger to aim at the target, then simply open your pinky finger to fire the shot off. Now check this out, we still have 2 more fingers and that means we can take this idea to the next level. Start by loading a rubber band the same way you did before, then put 2 more rounds in the chamber with a second and a third band on your 4th and middle fingers. You've just upgraded your weapon to semi-automatic. With this setup, you can fire at multiple targets without having to stop and reload after each shot. And with some practice, your aim can get impressively accurate. Now with a slight variation in your shooting technique, you can easily switch from semi-automatic to shotgun blast. Simply release all your fingers at the same time to send all the rounds flying at once. This method spreads the ammo out so you can hit small targets from a distance or pump more power into targets at close range. Well, now you know how to use spare rubber bands to make a semi-automatic elastic blasting handgun. So go ahead and have all the same rubber shooting fun while enjoying the savings of your 5-finger discount.